JavaScript developers, this is not clickbait. One of the most used NPM packages in the world, Axios, was briefly compromised. And for a short window, a normal NPM install could have pulled malware onto developer machines, CI systems, and build pipelines. This was not just a bug. This was a real supply chain attack. Axios is not some tiny side project. It is one of the most widely used HTTP clients in the JavaScript ecosystem, with tens of millions of weekly downloads, so when something like this gets compromised, the blast radius is huge. This is exactly why supply chain security is becoming one of the biggest topics in modern software development. Here's what happened. On March 31, 2026, attackers used a compromised Axios maintainer NPM account to publish two malicious package versions, Axios 1.14.1 and Axios 0-4. These releases were not normal source code releases from the project repo. They were manually published after bypassing the usual flow. The most dangerous part is how subtle this was. The malicious Axios versions pulled in a dependency called plain crypto.js, which looked harmless at first glance, especially because it resembled the legitimate crypto.js package name. But this package was a Trojanized dependency, and it included a malicious install time payload. This was not malware waiting for your app to run. It was designed to execute during installation. Security researchers found that the malicious dependency used post-install behavior to download and run a cross-platform remote access Trojan, or RAT. That means a developer didn't even need to import Axios in code. Just resolving and installing the package could be enough. The good news is the malicious versions were live only for a short period, removed roughly 3 hours later. But in supply chain attacks, even a small time window is enough because CI systems and automated builds can pull new packages immediately. A single package update can land in local development machines, ephemeral CI runners, and cached container layers. And because Axios is so widely trusted, many teams would never suspect it. That trust is the real attack surface. Researchers say affected systems should be treated seriously because the malware was designed for remote access and credential theft. Several security write-ups recommend handling exposure as a potential full compromise event for machines that installed those versions. If you want the two versions burned into your memory, they are Axios 1.14.1 and Axios 0.34. Safe installations now resolve away from those releases because they were removed, but that doesn't help those who installed them during the window. So what should you do? First, check log files, CI logs, and artifact manifests for those exact Axios versions. Second, if you find them, do not treat it like a normal issue. Rotate secrets and review any machines that performed fresh installs. Third, reduce blind trust. Pin versions, use log files properly, scan dependencies, and harden your software supply chain. The deeper lesson here is that JavaScript security is changing. It's no longer only about vulnerable code. Now the question is also, can I trust how this package was published, who controls it, and what happens during install? That is a very different security mindset, and every modern dev team needs it now. If you build with JavaScript, this Axios incident is your reminder. The biggest risk might be the trusted package you installed 5 seconds ago.